So, good day everybody. So, didiscuss natin dito is operation on rational algebraic expression. So, this is the topic on mathematics, grade 8. So, nag-prepare ako ng 5 example and then kung paano mag-operate ng rational algebraic expression. So, parang exercises lang to and sasagutan natin. So, without further ado, sagutan na natin. So, example number 1, 2x all over x plus 1 times x plus 1 all over x plus 2. So, sa multiplication, this that represent as multiplication. So, i-multiply lang natin itong dalawang rational algebraic expression na to. So, sa multiplication, ang gagawin lang natin is yung tapatan lang yung i-multiply natin. So, or numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, equal, lagay muna tayo ng fraction bar. So, multiply na natin 2x times x plus 1 all over x plus 1 times x minus 2. As you can see right here, pwede natin ma-cancel out yung x plus 1 kasi pares man siya. So, cancel out na natin. So, matitira sa taas is 2x na lang. Sa baba naman ay x minus 2. Okay? So, this is it. Our final answer here is 2x all over x minus 2. Okay. Example 2. A squared minus 1 all over x plus 2 times a plus 2 all over a minus 1. So, as you can see right here, multiplication ulit yung ginamit. Using the symbol, represent as multiplication. So, pero, bago ko siya i-multiply, ito, pwede natin siyang i-factor. So, ano bang factor ng a squared minus 1? So, this is the difference of 2 squares. So, ang factor niyan is a plus 1 times a minus 1. And then, I can now multiply this terms into a plus 2 times a plus 2. All over, sa baba naman, i-multiply natin ito. So, paano ba? Multiply lang natin. So, a plus 2 times a minus 1. As you can see right here, we can cancel out a minus 1, a minus 1, a plus 2, and a plus 2. So, yung matitira is a plus 1. So, our final answer here is a plus 1. Okay? So, next. Example 3. 4 over x plus 2 plus 3 all over x minus 1. So, ang ginamit na operation dito ay plus. So, we're going to plus or to add this to rational expression. So, paano ba tayo nag-add? So, sa pag-add, since ito ay dissimilar expression, so, since ito ay dissimilar, pag sinabi dissimilar, magkaiba yung kanyang denominator. Ang gagamitin na method dito ay butterfly. So, paano yung butterfly? Magko-cross multiplication lang tayo. So, 4 times x minus 1 and then 3 times x plus 2 and then i-multiply natin yung denominator. So, lagay muna tayo ng fraction bar. Ang ilalagay natin sa taas, yun ang pinag-cross multiply natin. So, burahin ko muna to. So, una natin i-multiply itong 4 dito sa x minus 1. So, 4 times x minus 1. And then, copy the operation plus, ito naman, sa kabila naman, 3 times x plus 2. So, 3 times x plus 2. And then, sa baba, multiply na natin itong nasa baba. So, x plus 2 times x minus 1. Okay. So, simplify na natin sa taas. Simplify by distributive property. So, 4 times x. So, 4x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Plus, sa kabila naman, 3 times x is 3x. And then, 3 times 2 is positive 6 or plus 6. Sa baba naman, i-multiply natin itong x plus 2 sa x minus 1 using FOIL method. So, paano ba yung FOIL method? FOIL method, so, represent as, so, sample, x plus 2 times x minus 1. So, F means first to first. So, first to first, x times x is x squared. Then, outer, so, outer, x times negative 1 is negative x. And then, 2 times x is 2x. So, plus, positive, 2x. And then, 2 times negative 1 or the last. So, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So, combine like terms. So, baba lang natin walang kaparehas na term. So, x squared. So, negative x plus 2x or pwede din 2x minus x. Pwede mabalintad. So, dalawang x, babawasan mo ng isang x. Ang matitira na lang ay isang x. So, plus x and then minus 2. So, ito, kopyahin na natin sa baba dito. So, x squared plus x minus 2. Tapos na ba? Hindi pa. So, sisimplify pa natin itong nasa numerator. Itong numerator natin. As you can see, pwede natin combine itong 4x sa 3x. So, 4x plus 3x is 7x. And then, itong negative 4 plus x is positive 2. Sa baba naman, kopya lang natin, x squared plus x minus 2. Ayan. Wala naman tayo binago. We just copy the denominator. So, that's it. Our final answer is 7x plus 2 all over x squared plus x minus 2. Alright. So, example 4. Example 4, 5 over x plus 3. Alright. So, as you can see, this problem is similar expression. Pag sinabing similar, parehas ng denominator. Again, kapag similar fraction, pag nag-add and subtract, pag similar fraction siya, ang gagamitin nating method is yung standard. Ano ba yung standard? So, we just copy the denominator which is x and then operate the numerator. So, 5 and then i-add down natin siya sa so plus dito sa x plus 3. So, 5 plus x plus 3. Okay? And then, combine like terms. So, itong x, wala siyang kapares sa term. So, ilagay lang natin. We just copy. And then, ang pwede lang natin dito makombine it ay yung 5 at saka itong 3. So, 5 plus 3 is positive 8. Sa baba, wala tayong binago. Ayan. So, we just copy the x. So, the answer here is x plus 8 all over x. Okay. So, last example. Example 5, 2x all over x plus 3 times x squared minus 9. All over x minus 3. So, multiplication ulit. Again, pag multiplication, tapatan lang. So, tapatang multiplication. So, itong 2x, multiply ko siya sa x squared. But, as you can see, this is a difference of 2 square ulit. So, ifa-factor natin siya. So, ang factor ng x squared minus 9 is x plus 3 times x minus 3. all over x plus 3 times x minus 3. Ayan. So, as you can see, pwede natin ma-cancel out itong x plus 3. Tanggalin natin. Itong x minus 3, pwede din. So, matitira is yung 2x na lang. So, 2x. So, our answer here, or our answer to this problem is 2x. Ayan. Ayan. So, tapos na tayo. I hope meron kayo natutunan. So, math is basic. Goodbye.